Hi. Just a quick demo. This is how I intended to use the dresser. It's not making contact now. I've got it cranked back. What I had envisioned was clamping it down to keep the dresser from moving, and just moving back and forth on it, and it works. I haven't actually dressed a stone, but hey, why? One other thing I added on this back bar on this side, I added a clamp so that I can clamp the carriage down, and when I'm doing the grinding, I will advance with the compound on the angle. And I using my new Noga copy indicator, I indicated the compound to the same angle inside the ER32 collet. There you go. When I start the grinding, I'll remove the clamp, remove the dresser, and get this into position, get it all lined up, get everything just closely, and then I'll rotate it back using the cross slide to touch off inside the collet. And then once I touch off, I will use the compound to advance through the cone. And this cone, it's really an experiment. I modified it, and the run out, I did not improve it when I modified it. It's worse, but so it's an experiment. But once I pass through the cone and get its run out right, I'll see how it all goes, and maybe make some other changes. I may just buy another ER32 collet chuck and put this in the bin. But anyways, that's what's happening.